This is exactly how I was able to fix the myCar app not working. So firstly, just close the myCar app and instead go to the settings app on your phone. And in here, just scroll down and make sure that Bluetooth is turned on. If it's turned off for you, make sure to turn this one on right now. It's very important. And then scroll all the way down here and click on apps and then click on search apps and search for myCar here and then click on the myCar app. And then make sure that live activities and also wireless data here is set to VLAN and mobile data, just to be 100% sure that it can actually work for you. And another thing that you need to do is to go to the App Store if you have an iPhone or the Google Play Store if you have an Android and click on search here and then search for myCar. Just wait a couple of seconds and then click on the myCar app. And if you have this button here, the blue button where it says update, click on the update button. That is very important because then you're going to update your myCar app to the absolute latest version. So do this and hopefully this will be able to fix it for you as well.